What's up, y'all? Good morning. Today is Wednesday the 24th.
All right, thank you.
We just finished our final inspection of the house.
Man, what?
Oh.
This is a beautiful home.
Yeah, so we're gonna take you through a tour. So welcome to our new humble
The
abode.
Cotteral residence.
The Cotteral residence.
Yes. Let me show you how luxury houses are made. All right, no, I'm just joking. I just want to show you the floor plan of our home. MTV Cribs, come check it out. As you walk into the front door, very open, very elongated for you. Okay. Right here, the first room as you enter the house, this is the office area. This will actually be Elle's creation room. She'll be making this her home office. Okay. Straight from there, you come on out. Got a nice little powder room right there. Nice little powder room, nice little half bathroom. You come on through, this way it opens up. There's an open floor plan. We got the dining room. Very open, opens up into the living room area. As you can see, very open, very spacious, nice fireplace. And then we got the open kitchen that's overlooking the break room and overlooking the dining room. Okay. Very spacious. I love the white cabinetry. Beautiful granite. And then this is if you come in from the garage right here. We got a nice little mudroom area in this area right here. And then this would be the garage, two-car garage. Okay. So you come out here to the back patio, we got the cover patio. This is gonna be a nice little chill out area. Plenty of space in the backyard. So we're gonna be cooking out, so when we cook out, make sure y'all come through. And then real quick, we're gonna go upstairs. First area that we'll want into is to go upstairs. We're gonna go straight into the owner's suite, the master room. Very nice inside. Plenty of light that comes in. Nice straight ceiling. Okay, very spacious. And this is the owner's bathroom. This is one of the best features I love about this house, okay? So me and my honey, we have our little issues when it comes to vanity space.
No, it's more like him. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is gonna be nice, because I'm gonna have my side, she's gonna have her side, and the piece is gonna exist. Then we got a nice tub.
I'll be using this weekly.
Shower. And look at this closet it's got. Like, what? This is huge. We're gonna have to make some customizations, but plenty of space for whatever we have and need. Okay? Let me show you the rest. So right in here, this is the bonus room. So this is gonna be like the hangout spot, the game room area, for Christian and his friends, whatever, hang out, have a good time. Plenty of space in here. Alright? As we come down the hallway, this room right here, this is the guest room. Alright, so this is where the guests are going to be staying whenever they come over. You know, we don't want too much room, but plenty of space for when they come. They can be comfortable. And then this is the bathroom right here. Very spacious, double vanity. And then as you come through, the shower's right in here. Let me show you the last two rooms, okay? Alright, so this room right here is going to be the baby's room. Alright, so this room is on the front side of the house. Alright, so very nice walk-in closet with it. So he's going to have plenty of space to grow into. Alright, and then this last room right here. By the way, this feature right here, to me, is amazing. Like, you can look down to your foyer from the top floor, very open. I love that feature about the house. And then this final room, this is Christian's room. This is
Washing and
the
drying.
oldest boy. He's gonna have his home space, nice little desk area. And he's got his own bathroom attached to his room. Okay, so very nice, spacious bathroom, nice spacious closet. So he's gonna have everything he needs. So that's it, guys. This is the house. This is our new house. We're so happy to show you around. Cotteral's residence. Me and Eleanor will be growing our family here. So thank you for stopping by.
Hey y'all, what's up? So that was the tour of our official home. We are super excited. In the next couple hours, we are going to go to closing and close on the house and get our keys, start moving in stuff. The movers come tomorrow. So we definitely wanted to show you the house before. There's tons of boxes in there. And this is what the house looked like back on November 3rd when we first came and purchased the home when it was just being built. So as you can see, it has come a long way. This is a picture from January 30th, January 3rd, but sometime in January, where you see the update of the house. And then this is the home today. So super excited to be moving in, feel extremely blessed. We worked really hard for this. We just want to give our thanks to God, to our hustle, to this amazing man right here. Y'all, if you are in the state of Georgia and you need a realtor, this is your guy. He is a beast when it comes to his hustle, his ambition, his work ethic, and he will find you your dream home because he definitely found us our dream home. So I want to say thank you, honey, so much for everything you do. You're appreciated. Adel, Christian, just check it out. It's back there. But we can't wait to move in and grow as a family within this home. So this is week 22, and now it's time to get to finish packing and moving. So I'll see y'all next week in the next video.